Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very quick, easy and healthy mushroom pepper fry which can be had as a side dish for roti or for rice. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make mushroom pepper fry, into my chutney grinder I'm adding in 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 2 whole red chilies, and I'm going to coarsely grind this. I have coarsely ground the red chilies and black pepper. I'm using 200 grams of mushroom, 1 capsicum sliced, 1 onion sliced, 8 to 10 garlic cloves sliced. Heat a wide heavy bottomed pan with 1 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil. You can use any wood pressed oil which you can locally source. Once the oil is heated, add in the sliced garlic cloves. Once the garlic cloves start to turn light golden brown, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in the coarsely ground black pepper and red chili. Give it a stir and then add in 1 sliced onion. Give it a mix. Saute the onions until the onion starts to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion is transparent and is light pink in color, add in the sliced mushrooms. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a mix. Cover and allow the mushrooms to get cooked. Open the lid. And as you can see, once the mushroom starts to cook, it will start to release moisture. Give it a mix. Cover again and allow the mushrooms to get cooked. Let's check on the mushrooms. The mushrooms are releasing moisture. So give it a stir. Cover and let it cook. Open the lid. Just give it a stir. You can see that the moisture has been absorbed and the mushroom is thoroughly cooked. Add in the sliced capsicum. Give it a stir. Now don't cover with the lid. Allow the capsicum to get cooked with the residue heat so that the capsicum retains its subtle crunch. Stir it for about 30 to 40 seconds. If you cover it with the lid, capsicum will lose its crunchiness, so we don't want that. Just saute it for about 30 to 40 seconds. And lastly, sprinkle in some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a stir. Turn off the flame. And my quick and easy pepper mushroom fry is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a side dish with rice or roti. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.